Hello, my name is Andrew Pang. I am currently an 8th grader at Ralston Middle School. Today I will talk about the egg drop challenge and show you how it works. An egg drop is when you drop an egg, but it's in a mechanism that keeps it from cracking. Here's how an egg drop mechanism works. First, you need to construct a mechanism that uses resistance to slow the drop. Resistance is when it resists the air and slows down the drop. I also needed to make sure I had shock absorption qualities so the impact doesn't crack the egg. Then you need to hold the egg drop mechanism as high as you can and let go. Let's go. I started my first round of design by making a triangular prism with straws with extensions on the vertices. I tied a rubber band around the top to keep it together. Then I attached more straw to the legs. I put 3 straws on each leg. I noticed the ping pong ball didn't fit in it, so I made a paper cup for the egg to sit on. Finally, I attached wooden dowels so they could take the impact. They are also stronger than the straw, so I attached a lot of them. After my first prototyping, my first design, I tested it with a ping pong ball. My egg drop mechanism did hold the ping pong ball in place. However, I needed more resistance because it fell down at a super fast speed. I iterated my design by making a parachute with yarn and paper towels. Here's my second iteration of my prototype. Let me show you how it works with a ping pong ball.